Welcome to the Study Summary podcast brought to you by StudySummary.com and the Study Summary Library online resource. We provide high school students and their teachers and parents all they need to help students achieve their personal best in their high school years. In this episode, we look at practice methods. Now, deep practice is required to perform at your personal best. Using the right practice method is important to learn the right skill. When you know you're practicing effectively, you become more self-confident. You also gain a sense of self-control and certainty that when you need to learn something, you have a proven practice method. Most importantly, your skill acquisition is quicker and easier. Now, the closed book method. Let's pretend that 1 week from now, you will take a test on the next 10 pages of the book you're studying, and you have 30 minutes to study. Which practice method would help you get a better grade? Number one is reading those 10 pages 4 times in a row and trying to memorize them. Or number two, reading those 10 pages once, then closing the book and writing a 1 page summary. It's not even close. Research shows that people who follow the second strategy remember 50% more material over the long term than people who follow the first strategy. This is because of one deep practice's most fundamental rules. Learning is reaching. Passively reading a book, a relatively effortless process, letting the words wash over you like a warm bath, doesn't put you in the sweet spot. Less reaching equals less learning. On the other hand, closing the book and writing a summary forces you to figure out the key points, which is one set of reaches, and process and organize those ideas so they make sense, which is more reaches, and write them on the page, still more reaches along with repetition. The equation is always the same. More reaching equals more learning. That's all for today's episode in the Study Summary podcast. Go to studysummary.com for more episodes and resources, including a free presentation and more information about how your school can subscribe to the Study Summary online library.